AI doesn't have opinions, but it absolutely has biases. And here's the wild part. They come from us. Remember how AI learns? It trains on data, human-generated data, and humans are not neutral. We carry assumptions, blind spots, and historical patterns, good and bad, into everything we produce. When AI trains on that data, it doesn't filter out the bias. It learns it. Then it bakes it in. This isn't theoretical. A few years ago, Amazon built a hiring AI trained on 10 years of the past hiring decisions. This isn't theoretical. A few years ago, Amazon built a hiring AI trained on 10 years of past hiring decisions. The problem? Most of those hires were men. So the AI learned to downrank resumes from women. They scrapped it. Facial recognition is another one. Studies have shown that these systems are significantly less accurate for people with darker skin tones because the training data was skewed towards lighter-skinned faces. Same technology, wildly different performance depending on who you are. Now here's the thing I want you to hold on to. This isn't a bug in the code. Bias in AI is a human problem that just shows up in the technology. The model just learned what it was taught, which means fixing it isn't a technical job. It's about who's building it, what data they use, and whether anyone's checking on the outcomes. The good news is that there are real solutions. Diverse training data, making sure the dataset actually represents the human world, bias testing before deployment, human oversight throughout, and ongoing monitoring after launch, because bias can show up later too. None of this is magic. It's just rigor, the kind that should be standard. So next time you see an AI tool making decisions about people, hiring, lending, healthcare, you need to ask, what data was this trained on? Who tested it? And who's watching it now? Those are the right questions. Follow for the next video and drop your questions in the comments. This has been Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great day.